Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will talk about what's probability by using combination. Actually, we solve, probability with the help of combination method. So let's take an example. So question is, a bag contains 9 white and 6 black balls. So how many balls in a bag? So 9 plus 6 is 15 balls in a bag. 9 white and 6 black balls. So what is the probability of selecting number one, 2 white balls, number two, 3 white balls, number three, 4 black balls, number four, 1 white and 3 black balls, number five, 4 white and 5 black balls. So before solving this problem, so we should remind something. So review something. We know what is the definition of probability is. The probability is a ratio. Is between number of outcomes divided by number of possible outcomes. And we are familiar with this symbol we use in truth table. I know most of electronic engineers knows about this. Even who is learning studying discrete mathematics, they know. I hope so they know and aware with these symbols. So and represents in truth table we use intersection and mathematically multiplication, and or means like union means plus. Even we use we are familiar intersection union, we use these things in sets. Okay, so now I'm going to solve these 5 parts. So now I'm going to calculate the probability. So I'm going to select 2 white balls, and in a bag we have 15 balls. So what is the probability occurring 2 white balls? So according to this formula, number of favorable outcomes divided by number of possible outcomes. So in denominator, number of possible outcomes, we have 9 plus 6 is 15 balls, and we want to select how many balls? 2 white balls. So in numerator, what's the favorable outcome? Favorable outcome is, we desired outcomes, we wanted outcomes is 9, because 9 white balls, if we desire 2 white balls comes from 9 white balls, probably more chances, right? So it's chances more. So 9C2. Okay, this is answer. Okay, we can solve combination method, and we can solve further. 9C2 means, okay, we're now going to give you some tricks, and tell you some tricks. 9C2 means 9, and we go towards 1, but here is according to this r is 2. So we use multiplication method, and we use descending multiplication. So we go towards 1, but we do 2 times 9 and 8. This is descending multiplication. So and 2 is 2 into 1. Okay, similarly here 15 times 14 divided by 2. Okay, you solve at home. Okay, now I'm talking about second question. So how to calculate probability? Probability for 3 white balls. 3 white balls. Okay. Probability of 3 white balls is, again, so our number of possible outcome is 15. We have total 15 balls, and we want to select 3 white balls, 15C3. And so favorable outcomes is 3 white balls, we decide 3 white balls come from this 9 white balls, 9C3. Okay, this is second part, this is first part. Okay, third question, 4 black balls. So we have 6 black balls. So third question is probability for 4 black balls. Okay, 4 black balls is number of possible outcomes is, again, 9 plus 6 15C. We want 4 balls, 15C4. And so how many black balls? 6. We want select 4 black ball, 6C4. Okay, now question 4. 1 white and 3 black balls. We use this formula. We use and we transform and into mathematical form. We use the multiplication or for for or a plus. But in this question we have and. So probability of, this is question number 4, 1 white and 3 black balls, 1 white and 3 black balls. So how we can calculate probability? Again, in denominator, number of possible outcomes. Number of possible outcomes is, we have total balls, 15 C, 1 plus 3 is 4, 15 C 4. Okay, this is possible outcomes. So number of favorable outcome is the 1 white ball. So one white ball, we desire 1 white ball from 9 white balls. So 9C1, and means, according to this formula, and means multiplication. We use multiplication. And so, and 3 black balls means 3 black balls, and how many black balls? 6 and C3. Okay, now you solve further, and then you simplify that, and then you solve. Okay, but now I'm not solving here, but you solve at home. Okay, I will check later. So just you can send me like a scan copy, I will check it. So okay, number 5. Fifth part is, what is the probability of selecting 4 white and 5 black balls? So number of possible outcomes is 9 plus 6, 15 balls in a bag. Okay, 15C. So how many balls we want to select? 4 plus 5 is 9. Good. Okay, so we want to select 4 white balls. Okay, so we have, in a bag, 9 white balls there. Okay, in a bag. So 9C4. Okay, you see here n. So we use multiply. If you see in exam, instead of n, you see or, means 4 white or 5 black ball, you use plus. For in this question, we here is you see n, so we use multiply. So use this operator. Okay, 5 black balls is 5. Sorry, so 6 balls in a bag, 6C5. What does it mean? 9C4 means is number of possible ways for occurring 4 white balls. Okay, and what does it mean for 6C5? Means number of possible ways for occurring 5 black balls. Okay, you see in exam, suppose 4 white and not and or 5 black balls. So probability for 4 white or 5 black balls is 15C9 is total number of possible outcomes, and number of favorable outcomes is 9C4 plus 6C5. Okay, so I've said before, probability is a ratio between number of favorable outcomes divided by total possible outcomes. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button for next videos. Bye bye now.